How to save video on Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily save any videos on your Facebook Lite application. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook Lite application, and once you're inside here, just select any of the random videos. You can also head over to this TV section right next to the notification option over here, as you can see. So just tap on this TV section over here and you will be seeing loads of reels and videos just like this. So let me just select any of the random videos from over here and let me just pause it and just click on this three dot icon right below the send option and just tap on it just like this, and you will be seeing option called save video. So all you have to do is just click on this save video just like this, and you can create a collection for your particular customizable topics, or you can just click on this save video and it should be saved, and you can just click on view to view that particular saved video, or you can also click on this three hamburger icon over here and just head over to the saved section where you can see your saved video just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.